Why you always in a mode? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with the view. Oh my God, why is Shawty tryna test me? To turn up in the back of the jet stream. Can be good, but she trying to arrest me. Lying to impress me, dying to forget me. I go crazy. Why you always in a mode? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool.
The more things change, the more they stay the same.
Welcome to Pull the Trigger 101. Private Allen here is going to do a quick weapons demonstration to show you locals how it's done. No offense, but I see a lot of you guys firing from the hip and spraying bullets all over the range. You don't end up hitting the damn thing and it makes you look like an ass. Private Allen, show them what I'm talking about. Let's try a few more.